I think about life on Miller School's campus as sort of one big family, and I get to interact with the kids here similarly to how I interact with my own kids. There are a lot of schools that you could work at where you come to school in the morning, teach from 8 to 3 in the afternoon, go home, that's it. But here, teachers get involved in every aspect of students' lives. The teachers at the school are involved in all of the student life activities right alongside the kids.
Between classes and help sessions and then going to sports, I think our schedule keeps our students so busy during the day. They need that time to sort of refresh themselves.
After class, kids are outside kicking a soccer ball around, throw the football around during lunch.
Some of our kids will take advantage of the campus, whether it's walking the trails or fishing in the lake, watching movies, playing video games, or just talking with their friends. They need time for them. They need to have some free time together.
The school puts on a variety of special events. Every weekend there's stuff going on and off campus. Day students and boarding students and teachers all come together that are pretty special.
One of the best things about Miller is that we have faculty members with their families living on campus. That allows our students to feel like they're part of a bigger family. They're getting that home feeling away from home by interacting with teachers who are parents and the children of those teachers and forming those bonds.
Oftentimes that can be really helpful as a teacher. You see the way that they interact with other kids. You get to be around them socializing in the evenings and around dinner time. If a student's having a problem, you can see that it's stemming from somewhere else than just in the classroom. Or if you see that there's a strength that they have outside of the classroom, you can really play to that strength when you're teaching them.
We are a small school where everybody knows each other and everybody looks out for each other. In a bigger school, you don't get that quality of relationship and ability to really know that student and guide them, but also be able to explain to someone that doesn't know them, this is what's great about this child. You can have dialogues and relationships that you wouldn't have anywhere else.
Community here is real. It's not just something we talk about. It's something that the students get to live daily. It affects their education. It affects their lives here.